Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
See on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. Category 8. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. On its review required to present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is attractive. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box.